Morning everyone. So again today we are going to continue our trigonometry chapter. So here we are going to continue our page number 240. Please turn your books, all of you. Page number 240. Okay. So last time we have done number solve. Okay, so I'm sorry. So let's get ready. Okay, so we have done from let's get ready. Now let us do the solve questions. Okay, so solve. So number 1 and 2 we are going to do today. So number 1A, so here it is given. So in the right angle triangle, okay, so here there is right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means one of the angle, if it is 90 degree, then that is called right angle triangle. Okay, so one of the angle is theta given over there. And last time also we have discussed already that the opposite angle of reference angle is called what? What do you call it? The opposite of reference is called perpendicular. So when there is both 90 and reference angle both, then what do we call it? Yes, it is base. And so what do we call it if it has it is the opposite of 90 degree? What do we call it? So this is called hypotenuse. Is it? Okay, this is hypotenuse. So find the value of tan theta. That means, so first of all, so H, P and B is there. Maybe H is also required to us. H point change. So let us find out the formula. Okay, use the formula and get the value of H, because we got the value of P, we got the value of B. But where is H? No H. Okay, so we don't have the value of H. So what is the formula of this P, B and H? H square equals to P square plus B square. Is this the formula of Pythagoras theorem or not? Right. So this is the formula of Pythagoras theorem. So your Pythagoras theorem means hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square. Okay. So let us find out the value of hypotenuse. Then after getting the value of hypotenuse, so what is the formula of tan? What is the formula of tan? Tan theta turns permanently black. That means tan equals to P by permanently B for black. Okay, that means P by B. Otherwise, tension paryo bola prasad lai. Okay, to tension paryo bichara lai. Okay, so paryo bichara. P for paryo, B for bichara. Okay, so in this way we will get the formula. So here the perpendicular is 30 and the base is 40. So 30 by 40 karne you will get the answer. Okay, let us see how we have done it. Okay, so here, so everything I've written over here, please do it in a similar way. The page number, the date you are doing it. Okay, so exercise number. So just Yanis, he has provided his copy to me. So Yanis and two more people are there. Okay, so I think Anmol or someone. Okay, so exactly I don't know the names right now, but Yanis, I remember Yanis, and maybe Pajal or someone. Okay, so they have submitted the copies. Okay, so from Sunday onwards, your copy will be collected. Please submit your copies. Okay, so everyone must please send your parents, or you can come yourself and submit a copy to your teachers. Okay, so that we can also check your copies properly. Is that okay? Okay. So now, question number 1. So that same question. So there was this one, and the opposite of theta is called perpendicular. Okay, so perpendicular means what is the value of perpendicular? You are like once a kun line naam ki isko AB. So AB is almost 30 centimeter. Okay, so this is 30 centimeter. So opposite of base is called what? Opposite of 90 degrees is called what? It is called hypotenuse. So what is the name of hypotenuse? AC. Hypotenuse ta AC equals to question mark. Pahla ABC lekhne, okay, and bhaka bhak naam dalne. So opposite of theta means reference angle ko opposite la ke bhancha? So we call it AB. AB is 30 centimeter. Okay, so perpendicular is AB. AB is 30 centimeter. And next one is if it has both the angles 90 also, reference angle also, then what do we call it? We call it base. And base ka naam kaisa tha? BC. base का नाम कैसा BC. Okay, so 40 centimeter. Now use the formula of Pythagoras theorem. H square equals to P square plus B square. H, what is the value of H? H भने कैसा था AC. Okay, so square equals to perpendicular. What is perpendicular? 30. Okay, so before writing 30, write down the name. So perpendicular, what is the name of perpendicular? AB. Perpendicular, okay? AB square plus what is the base? Base is BC. Base is BC whole square. Is that okay or not? So AC, do we have the value of AC? No, write down AC itself. AC square equals to, so what is the value of AB? 30. Okay, 30 square plus what is the value of BC? 40 square. So 30 square means how much? 3 square means 9. If there is 1 0, make it 2 zeros. 4 square means 16. If there is 1 0, make it 2 zeros. Okay, 1600. Then add these two numbers. So 600 plus 900 plus 1600, it becomes 2500. Is that okay? So there is a square. That means we need to get the square number from here also. So 25 is the square root of what? So 25 is the square root of 5. Is it? So 5 is 25. So 25 को square root कति होता? 4 को square root कति हो? 2. Okay, in the same way, what is the square root of 25? It is what? It is 5. Okay, it is 5. So दुईटा 0 बने छ भने एउटा 0 भयो भने एउटा 0. That means 50 is the square root of 2500. Okay, so in that way we can do it. Otherwise, you can use a calculator to get the answer. So 2500 square root, it is 50 square. So square and square will be cancelled. So AC equals to 50 centimeter. Okay, we got the value of AC. Now what you need to find out? Tan theta. So what is the formula of tan? Tan means tension per your bicharalai. Okay, so tension per your bicharalai. That means P by B. So P, what is the value of P? P means AB. Okay, B means BC. AB by BC. What is the value of AB? What is the value of AB? 30. What is the value of AB? 30. What is the value of BC? 40. So 0, 0 will be cancelled. So 3 by 4 will be our answer. Okay. Is there any problem? Okay. So your question may be there. So if P and B, the value of P and B is already there, then why are you finding H? So let us find out H. Okay. But if in the examination, so if H you are not asked to find out, then no need to find. Okay. But for our practice, let us find right now. Okay, यो कसरी निकाल्ने के गर्ने भनेर let us keep on practicing. Okay, but in examination, since H is not required because 10 is P by B. Okay, so P by B नै हो. So P को value पनि छ, B को value पनि छ. That's why we can get the answer by cancelling and all. We can get the answer. Okay, but for the practice, we are doing it. Okay, so if possible, do this also. So do this also. Let us practice. So number B मा चाहिँ यो चाहिन्छ. Okay, so in question number B, this is required. So I am teaching for number B also. Okay, so for number A, do this also. Let us get the value of H first. Okay, AC को value पनि निकाल्ने अनि मात्रै गर्ने. Is it okay or not? Okay. So now let us go to next number. Okay, so in question number 2, what is there? So find the indicated trigonometrical ratio in the given figure in terms of side. Okay, so you are asked to find out sine theta and tan alpha. This is called alpha. This is called theta. Theta alpha. Okay, so here what you need to find out? Cos theta tan alpha. Here what you need to find out? Cos theta tan alpha. Sine alpha tan theta. Okay, in that way you need to find out. So I have done of question number B. Okay, let me do this number. Let me show this number. Okay, so find the indicated trigonometrical ratio. So what do you need to find out? Okay, so that I'll say later on. But in this question, 90 is only given in this triangle. There are two triangles altogether. Can you see two triangles? You can see one triangle over here. This is one of the triangle, and you can see the next triangle also. Okay, let me show you the next triangle also. Where is it? It is in the next side. Okay, it is at the next side. So can you see two triangles or not? Okay, so you can see two triangles over here. Okay, now, so now here you can see two triangles. So if two triangles are there, that means there is 90 degree this side only. Okay, so in a straight line, if one of the angle is 90, then the next side is also 90 degree. Cosarita, straight line is there. Straight line is equal to how much? 180 degree. Okay, I have taught you in class 8 also that if a straight line is 180 degree and if one of the angle is 90 degree, then what is the remaining angle? Okay, so 180 minus 90, it will be how much? It is also going to be 90 degree. So whenever, so we are doing it. So if one of the, in the straight line, if one of the angle is 90 degree, then the next angle is also equal to 90 degree over here. Is it okay? Okay. So let me show you the next figure. So I've done like this. Okay, so I've drawn, so it was 90 degree present in this side only. So I've drawn in the next side also. Look, I've drawn in the next side also. Okay, so now, so what is given in the question? So what to find out? You are asked to find out cos theta. Where is theta? Here is theta. Okay, so I told you there are two triangles over here. So one is theta and next one is alpha. So this is the next triangle. So what is the name of this triangle? So what is the name of this triangle? BDC. Others we can say BCD also. Others we can say DBC also, DCB also, J1 then B. Okay, so this is one of the name of the triangle. Okay, so this is one of the triangle. So what is the name of this triangle? BDC. Right? And what is the name of the next triangle? Your triangle ka naam ki hota? Naam ghumamte hai. Okay, so just rotate the name. ABD. ABD. Okay, so these are the names of this ABD, or there's ADB number BADJ one and by. Just you need to rotate the name of this triangle. Yo tinta jun छ नि पोइन्टहरु A, D and B. So यो ADB or there's ABDJ छ हो त्यसलाई just rotate गर्ने मात्रै हो. Okay, so you need to just rotate the name. What is the name of this triangle? ADB. Others you can say, you can also say, hey, ABD. This is also not wrong. That is also correct. Otherwise, you can say BAD also. Just these 3 points you need to rotate. Naam bandhari yo tinta naamlai rotate गर्ने. That will be the name of this triangle. So what is the name of this triangle? What are the 3 points? Tell me. B, D, and C. That means what is the name of this triangle? Triangle B, D, C. Otherwise, you can say B, C, D also. Otherwise, you can say D, C, B, DBC, CDB, J1. Okay, so just 3 points you need to rotate it either in the right hand side direction or otherwise left hand side direction. Okay, so let me erase this also and let me teach you this thing. So here, so with reference to theta, okay, so with reference to theta, where is theta? Here is theta. Okay, so here, so let us make the figure first. So in this figure, so with reference to theta means just see this triangle only. Your triangle hai matra herne. Okay, just focus in this triangle. What are the 3 points? B, D, and C. So what is the name of this triangle? BDC. Okay, so we need to find out 3 things because we are asked to find out the cos theta, tan theta. Okay, so tan alpha. So you ke garne ta? So let us find out 3 points. P, B, H. Okay, so P, B, H ka value nikalnu, so sides haru nikalnu ta. So here, so in this triangle, So what do we call the opposite side of theta? Reference angle को opposite side लगे भन्छ हामी. What do we call it? The opposite of reference angle. The opposite of reference angle is called what? Perpendicular. So we call it perpendicular. So what is the name of this perpendicular? B D. Oh, others D B लेख्दा नि भयो. So perpendicular का नाम के हो? DB. Others BD. है perpendicular का नाम के भयो? BD. Okay. Okay, so the opposite of reference is called perpendicular. So what is the name of this perpendicular? BD. Okay, so next one is the opposite of 90. What do you call it, the opposite of 90? The opposite of 90 is called what? Hypotenuse. Yes. Okay, so what is the name of this hypotenuse? Hypotenuse का नाम के छ? कुन point ले बनेछ? B and C. That means let us write down BC. Okay, so remember one thing. So always write down the name. Okay, so always write down the name according to the alphabetical order. Okay, so B and C. What comes first? Okay, so what comes first? B or C? B. That means BC. This name is BC. If you write on CB, then that also will not be wrong. But if you write on BC, that looks better. Okay, so what is the name of the base? Okay, so what is the name of the hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is BC. And what is the remaining number now? Alpha. So theta is there. 90 degrees there. That means यो दुईटै भएकोलाई त के पो भन्छौं हामी? We call it base. Okay, so what is the name of this base? You are taking your points somewhere. So what are the 2 points? D and C. So what may be the name? Yes, it is CD. Right? So DC like that. Others you can write down CD also. CD. Is it okay? Okay. Now, so what you need to find out? Cos theta. यता के निकाल्नु भन्छ थीटा को? It is cos theta. So यो त alpha हो. Alpha त अर्को triangle. Alpha अर्को triangle. So here is theta. So that means we need to find out the value of cos theta. Cos theta. So what is the formula of cos theta? B by H. Okay. Cosले भेट्यो होला. That means otherwise curly brown here. That means B by H. So what is the value of B? What is the value of B? B is CD. Is it? B भनेको छ CD. And H. What is the value of H? H means BC. So H means, let me clear everything. Okay, H means what? H means BC. Okay, so CD by BC लेख्ने सक्यो answer. Okay, just you need to put the value. So B by H is the formula of cos. So B means CD and H means BC. Finished. Okay, this will be our answer. So in the similar way, so here what did you find out? Tan alpha also. That means we need to go to the next triangle also. Okay, so let us go to the next triangle. What is the name of next triangle? So let us draw this triangle first. Okay, so let me do with the straight line. Okay, so now if you see here, then here you can see again a triangle. So here is 90 degree, there is reference angle. The opposite of reference angle is called what? Opposite of reference angle is called perpendicular. Okay, so with reference to alpha, you alpha line. So here also you can see next triangle. So in this triangle, so what are the 3 points? A, B, and D. That means triangle A, B, D. All this also let us write down in the alphabetical order. Otherwise, just let us rotate it. Okay, A, D, B like that. A, B, D like that. D, A, B, B, A, D. Whatever you want to write it. Just this 3 point you need to rotate. What I have written in triangle ABD. Okay, this is the name of this triangle. Okay, so opposite of, so first of all I done PBH first, equal to. Okay, suppose you have not written anything over here. I have not written anything over here. So perpendicular. So opposite of reference angle is called, this is called reference angle. Angle कुनै एउटा angle दिएको छ नि त्यसलाई भन्छ reference angle. This was called the reference angle अघि भर्खर. Okay, now this alpha, this is the reference angle. Okay, angle that is called reference angle. So opposite of reference angle is called perpendicular. What is the name of perpendicular? What is this? A, and this is D, AD. Okay, what I'll write on? I'll write on AD. Okay, so next one, what do you call it opposite of 90 degree? The opposite of 90 is called, yes, it is hypotenuse. Okay, so hypotenuse. Now, what is the name of this hypotenuse? This is A, this is B. That means what is the name of this line? AB. Okay, so what is the name of this line? Hypotenuse is what? Hypotenuse is AB. Is it right? Okay, it is right. Now, base. What is the name of the base? So base means where it is, where there is a reference angle as well as 90 degree. Okay, both 90 ra reference दुईटै भएको ठाउँलाई के भनिन्छ? We call it base, isn't it? So, what is the name of this base? BD. Base भने के छ त? It is BD. Is it? Okay. Now, what is the formula of tan alpha? यता त alpha छ. That means we need to go through alpha. So tan alpha equals to question mark. So here, so tan alpha equals to, what is the formula of tan? So what is the formula of tan? So tan means tension per your bicharaलाई. Okay. So what is the value of P? P means AD divided by. So what is the value of B? Base, it is BD. Okay, so this is going to be your answer. Sorry, answer निकाल्ने. Okay, so let me little bit move and let me show whether this answer is right or wrong. Okay, this answer is absolutely right. Okay, so this is tan alpha. So tan alpha means P by B. Okay, so we have done it. So what is the value of P? AD. Okay, so that is also right. And what is the value of base? It is BD. Okay, BD also we have done right. Okay, so in this way we are going to find out our answer. So first of all, you need to separate the triangle. Okay, so kun triangle, so kun triangle ho ta? So there are two triangles. So this is reference ko opposite line we call it perpendicular. This is reference in this triangle. Let's go opposite line we call it perpendicular. 90 is there. Opposite of 90 is called hypotenuse. So for this triangle, the opposite of 90 is called hypotenuse. Okay, so if there are both reference angle and 90 both together, then that is called base. Okay, so 90 and reference together, then this is called base. Okay, so that we have learned in the previous chapters, or previous days also. So I think there will be no any problem to find out the values. Okay, so theta भनेको हामी यो triangle हेर्ने, alpha भनेको यो triangle हेर्ने. Okay, okay, let me go to the next slide quickly. Okay, so this is our question again. So E number, there are two triangles again. Okay, so let me little bit zoom it. Okay, so up to this much, let me zoom it. Okay, so it is cutting the value. Okay, now so there are two triangles. So there is theta and there is alpha. So for theta, what is the question? Find sine theta. For alpha, what is the question? Find tan alpha. Okay, so let us do theta first. Alpha, just look at, let us focus at theta first. So let us draw this line first to make it clear. Now, so the opposite of 90 is called what? The opposite of 90 is called, what do we call it? Hypotenuse. Right? So what is the name of this hypotenuse? What is the name? Here is A. What is the name? Here is C. That means hypotenuse is AC. Okay, you can write down. I have not written. So in the next page, there is no any answer. You can do it. Okay. So base. What is the base? So base means, so if it has both 90 and reference together, base when you go 90 the reference both we call it reference. We call it base. Okay. So what is the value of base? So base means it is BD. Sorry, DC. Otherwise we can say CD also. So let us write on CD. Base. Right? So perpendicular. The opposite of reference is called perpendicular. So it is, the name is A, the name is D. That means AD. This is perpendicular. AD. Okay. Now sine theta. So what is the value of sine theta? Sine means some portion has. Okay, some portion has. Some portion has. That means sine pen harayo. Okay, so we can memorize in that way also. So P, what is the value of P? So P means AD. AD. Okay, so I'm writing with the mouse, that's why it is a little bit difficult for me. H, what is the value of H? AC. Okay, so in this way we got the answer. Okay, let me do the next number also quickly. Okay, so for alpha now, alpha, you can see this value over here. So let me, so if you have not done it, please pause the video and you can do it. Okay, so let me go to the next value. So let me erase this one. Okay, so for this one, now let me draw this figure. So for alpha means we need to see the bottom triangle, the lower triangle. So here, let me draw this quickly. Okay, now here, the opposite of this is what? Reference angle. The opposite of reference angle is called what? First of all, tell me what is the name of this triangle? ACB, otherwise ABC also we can write down. In triangle ABC with reference to alpha. Okay, alpha. You can just write down like this. How your teacher does wrong to you in that way. Okay, now, so the opposite of reference angle is called what? Perpendicular. So what is the name of this perpendicular? B and C is there. So let us write down BC. So base, what is the base? Base means where there is 90 in reference angle. This is the base. So what is the name of the base? A and B is there. That means AB. Hi, पहिला perpendicular लेख्नु पर्छ केही छैन. So whatever you got it, write on the name. So there is 90. So opposite of 90 is called what? This is called hypotenuse. So what is the name of the hypotenuse? There is A, here is C. That means it is AC. So what do you need to find out in case of alpha? 10 alpha. So 10 alpha equals to question mark. So here 10 alpha equals to 10. What is the formula of 10? Tension for you. Kolai. Harilai. Bicharalai. So P by B. So what is the value of P? P means BC divided by B is what? B is AB. So this is our answer. Okay. Any problem? Please tell me if there is any problem. Okay. So you can send the offline messages and all. So you can send me the messages if you have any problem. Is that okay? Okay. So let me go to the next slide. Let me clear this one. Okay. So quickly, let us go to the next number. Okay, so here, so number H, the same question, number 2H, cos theta is there, so 10 alpha is there. So in case of this one, so let me draw quickly. So here in this triangle, so let me draw this triangle. So this is the triangle. So in case of theta, okay, so in case of theta, with reference to theta, so what is the name of this triangle? ADC, otherwise ACD also you can write down. Okay, in triangle ADC. So let us write down PBH first, equal to, then perpendicular. Perpendicular भनेको त 90 theta को उल्टोलाई perpendicular भन्छ. Okay, reference angle को उल्टोलाई we call it perpendicular. Up the name dang you can write down, I think. So perpendicular, what is the name of the perpendicular? CD. CD. So now what we need? We need base. So theta ra 90 ko duita bhako ठाउँलाई what do we call it? We call it base. So what is the name of the base? AD. AD. Okay, so that also we have done. Hypotenuse भनेको 90 को opposite is called hypotenuse. 90 को opposite we call it hypotenuse. So what is the name of this hypotenuse? AC. Hypotenuse is AC. Okay. So now, so 10 theta equals to question mark. So 10 theta equals to what is the formula of 10? Sorry, cos Cos theta equals to what? Curly what? Brown here. So okay, so there is no space here. So let me draw here itself. So so base, what is the value of base? AD. AD divided by hypotenuse. What is the value of hypotenuse? AC. AC. Finished. Okay, very simple. Let me change the color of the pen. Is there any problem? Okay, so please quickly copy this and all. Okay, so pause the video. I'm going to rub it. Now, let me go to the next figure quickly. So now, what is the next alphabet over here? So there is alpha. So let us make the triangle. So this is the triangle over here. So in this triangle, so there is reference angle as alpha. So alpha ko ulta lagi bhanja perpendicular. So what is the name of the perpendicular? AD. Perpendicular is AD. So if there is 90 and reference both, then what do you call it? We call it base. What is the name of the base? DB, otherwise BD. BD. Hey, so hypotenuse, that means 90 opposite. What do you call it? We call it hypotenuse. What is the name of this hypotenuse? AB. Hypotenuse is AB. Okay. Now, okay. So now the next thing is given over here. Next term is given over here. So instead of sine, cos, and cot, sorry, sine, cos, and tan, there is cot alpha. We cot okay. So I think hope we have learned in the optional math also that cot means cot. Suppose alpha is given, then cot means it is the reciprocal of tan. Tan ko ulto. Okay, it is tan alpha. Otherwise, we can do like this also. So tan ko ulto bhane, what is the formula of tan? Tell me. Tan means what? Tension पर्यो बिचारालाई. So P by B हो भने 10 को त उल्टो 1 by, so 1 by 10 alpha means it is the reciprocal of 10. So what is the formula of cot then? यसलाई घुमाइदिने, उल्टो बनाइदिने. यहाँ उल्टो छ भने यता पनि उल्टो बनाइदिने. Okay, so instead of writing P by B, what will be the formula of cot? It will be B by P. Okay, just remember, so 10 means so tension पर्यो बिचारा, that is P by B. Cot means ठीक उल्टो, P by B को उल्टो, it will be B by P. B by P. Okay, so cot 10 alpha means it is B by P. Is it okay or not? Okay, so B, what is the value of B? B means what? BD. B means BD divided by P is how much? Perpendicular is AD. So in this way, you will get the answer. Okay. Okay, so if there is any problem, you can ask me anytime. And if there is any problem, always ask. Is it okay? So I hope you have understood the today's work and all. And if you have not copied, so please pause the video. So keep on sending your homeworks. Please keep on doing your homeworks. Okay. So keep on practicing every day. So okay. So this much for today, and let me give a little bit of homework. So here you can see the homework as page number 240. Solve. Okay, solve. Junsa, number 1 and 2 I have already done it. So your H number I have done it. That means this number 1 and number 2. Just 2 questions are only there. Okay, just number 1 and 2 only. Okay, so in number 2 A, B, C, D something are there, but just do number 1 and 2. Okay, so 1 A I have done it, I think. So B you need to do it. So number 2, so up to H is there. That means up to 8 numbers are there. So out of 8 numbers, I have done already 3 numbers. That means 5 questions are left. Please do that as a homework. Okay, so thank you for today. So have a nice day.